Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We all from group 2 want to presentation our topic today. Our topic is understanding how children learn language. The group of 4 is me, Anis Fira Aulia, and my partners, Nisa Makfirotus Syaidah, Nanda Rahmawati, and Miranda Anisha Putri. Understanding how children learn language. Language acquisition is a fascinating journey from simple sounds to complex sentences. So, this presentation explore the core theories behind how children master communication, offering insight for educator present and anyone curious about the human capacity for language. First of all, what is language acquisition? So, language acquisition is the process by which humans learn to understand and use language. It encompasses maturing grammar, expanding vocabulary, and grasping the subtle nuances of communication, typically beginning in infancy. Why we study it? Because studying language acquisition is crucial. It helps us develop effective teaching strategies, support cognitive and social development, and appreciate the profound complexity of learning of language. So, how do children learn language? Children acquire language with remarkable speed and apparent ease, often without formal instruction. This natural ability sparks questions about intent, human capacity, and the environmental factors that shape language development. This is behaviorist theory, learning by reinforcement. B.F. Skinner proposed that children learn language through imitation and reinforcement. This theory emphasizes the role of environmental stimuli in shaping language behavior. First, it stimulus. Child hears language in their environment, so child will do something if they heard that hear something from their environment. So if their environment can teach, they can hear and that they can do. And then response. Child imitates what they hear. They can do everything that hear. So that's why we learn English for young learners. Teach English for young learners. And then after that, they are reinforcement. Child received rewards or corrections. Example, e.g. getting milk for saying milk. When a child says milk and is given milk, this positive reinforcement encourages them to use the word again. So they are gonna say milk again and again. Next, critics of behaviors theory. While influential, Skinner theory has its limitations. Critics argue that it oversimplifies the complex nature of language learning. One, children often produce sentences they haven't heard before, indicating more than just imitation. The rapid pace of language acquisition suggests an intended capacity that goes beyond simple stimulus-response learning. It doesn't fully account by the creativity and generativity inherent in human language. Next, Innatist theory, universal grammar, Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky countered behavior by proposing that humans possess an innate ability to acquire language. He suggests the existence of a universal grammar that provides a fundamental structure command to all language. First, evidence from inattempts, and secondly, critiques of inattempts. Evidence for inattempts is include language development is rapid and effortless in children. Similar stage of language acquisition across the culture. Children can generate grammatically correct sentence without direct instruction. And critics of inattempts include downplays the crucial role of social interaction and less emphasis on the environmental context and input received by children. And the last is the concept of universal grammar is difficult to empirically prove.
The next interaction theory, the social condition. The theory emphasizes the interplay of social interaction and cognitive process in language acquisition. It posits that children learn language based through meaningful engagement with caregivers and peers. Social interaction. Language learning is significantly enhanced through conversations, point attention, and response feedback. Cognitive development. Developing cognitive skills like memory and problem solving. Support the children's understanding of language structure and meaning.
Emergentist theory, pattern detection. Emergent theory suggests that language development arises from the dynamic metropy between cognitive process and confrontational input. Children learn language by activity deleting patterns in linguistic data. Focus on how children identity statistical regulation in the language they hear. Linguistic structure atau are emergence from general cognitive learning machines, not just intent modules, highlight the adaptability of the human brain to its linguistic confinement. Next, implication for teaching young English learners. Each theory provides valuable strategies for fostering language development in your learners. Interaction encourage social interaction through group activity and meaningful conversation. Teams provide rich linguistic input and expose children to deserve language structure to nurture innate abilities. Emergent tests create an environment where children can freely explore and experiment with language to delete patterns natural.
Next, the big picture of holistic view. The first one, social interaction, feedback and reinforcement, biological readiness, language acquisition, behavioral influencers, learning biases, and innate capacities. Okay, let's slide. Conclusion and key takeaways. Language acquisition is a multifaceted process influenced by both nature and nurture. Skinner's behaviorism highlight reinforcements. Chomsky ornithism proposes innate abilities. Interactionist theories traces social context, while emergentism focuses on pattern detection. A comprehensive approach to language education integrates insight from all theories for optimal learning outcome. That's all from our groups. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.